GT Racing, we got car number 1, Audi. BMW on the left side, red and white. Audi blue and red and white. Audi position 1, BMW is position 4. Let's see what we got on the race. 25 laps. Let's see if we can keep the cars on the track. Porsche number 1, Audi 2, BMW 3, Lamborghini 4. You got the Porsche still in the race, Audi pushed out of the race. Audi pushed out. Porsche number 1. BMW, Lamborghini, 1, 2, and 3. Boys are racing. Here goes Porsche. Porsche number 1. BMW 2, Lamborghini 3. Lap race. Get out of control. Porsches are moving here. Let's see, crashes out. They may crash out going too fast. Okay, we got a collision here, but they're not off the track. Once they leave the track, bumped out, they're all out of the race. On the track, they're still active. BMW right there with Porsche. Lamborghini running 3. Porsche 1, BMW, Lamborghini. In that order. Porsche, BMW, Lamborghini. They're racing. Okay, coming up, next to last lap. It's pretty consistent here. Porsche got this one just sewed up. Lamborghini right with him there, but she's driving behind. Porsche, BMW, Lamborghini. Coming up. Last lap. Formula One, BMW, Lamborghini. Good race. Audi got pushed out again. Left the track, can't race anymore. Okay, that was 4 cars ready. We finished 3. We haven't done that in a while. Normally we finish with 1 or 2. At least we got 3 cars finishing. Get out of here. This is racing 4 cars with Carrera.